Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this Viking warrior. We'll start with a simple sketch, design the outfit, choose the colors, and then add details and background to bring the artwork to life. Let's get started. Step 1. Sketching. The first step is the basic sketch. At this stage, I decide on the overall composition and pose of the character. I begin by lightly drawing the general silhouette and key movements of the warrior character. I don't focus too much on details yet, but quickly sketch the composition and pose based on large shapes. I add specific elements such as the character's face, outfit, and weapons. It's important here to already consider and design the distinctive features of the character. As I continued drawing, I decided to give the character a more modern outfit. I quickly sketched a jacket and then added more details like the character's outfit and weapons again. For the weapons, I searched for the axe I wanted on the Sketchfab website, took a screenshot from the right angle, imported it into Photoshop, removed the background, and aligned the angle to use it in the drawing. This website is especially helpful when I draw weapons. Step 2. Line art. In the second step, I create a new layer over the sketch to draw cleaner and more precise lines. I make sure not to use lines that are too thick, making the character's key features stand out clearly. Step 3. Base coloring. Before proceeding with the base coloring, I divide the sections of the character into layers to assign colors to each object. Then, I begin adding color. Usually, I start by assigning the skin tone and then work on coloring the upper body and lower body. Step 4. Background coloring. Next, I add a base color to the background. Since the background for this piece is a cave, I used a beige tone for the base and cool gray for the shadows. Step 5. Adding shadows and highlights. After deciding the direction of the light source, I add shadows and highlights accordingly. For this character, I focus the light on the upper body and face to give the impression that the light is coming from above. I adjust the shadows according to the texture of each material like fabric, metal, or fur. Metal gets stronger reflective highlights, while fur and fabric are shaded with softer gradations. When using brushes, it's good to choose ones that bring out the texture of the material. For example, use a hard brush for metal and a soft brush for fur. I intensify the lighting a bit more. Step 6. Detail work and final adjustments. In the final stage, I add details and enhance the overall quality of the drawing. I also refine the character's face to give it more life and expression. I add patterns to the character's armor. I engrave detailed designs onto the axe and enhance other fine elements. To focus on detailing the face, I temporarily hide the circlet while working on the finer details. I add texture to the snake-shaped statue in the background and the rocks to ensure the character and the background blend naturally. It's almost finished. I review the entire drawing and enhance areas where the details are lacking. Today, we took a look at the process of drawing the Viking warrior I created. I explained the key points to focus on in each step, from sketching to coloring and detailing. I plan to cover the process of creating various characters in the future, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This was TOADART. Thank you.